Good morning, students. As we have started our new chapter 11th is simple interest, and in which we have done till question number 3. We have already done till question number 3. Today we will start with question number 4. In question number 4, it is given at what rate percent per annum will rupees 6300 yield an interest of rupees 2100 in 4 years. Now in this question we have to find the rate percent. Rate percent आपने find करना है. रुपीज 6300 will be your principal because ये जो 6300 इसके ऊपर आपने इंटरेस्ट इतना आया है. सो इंटरेस्ट हम किसके ऊपर निकालते हैं हमेशा? प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर. ऑन प्रिंसिपल वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट. सो 6300 इज अ प्रिंसिपल and interest is given rupees 2100 and time is given 4 years. So as I've told you, what is the formula of rate? Interest into 100 upon P into T. Interest is 2100 into 100 upon principal is 6300 into 4 years. Now we will do the cutting. ये आपने cutting कर दी. 21 3s are 63. So what is left? अभी भी आपकी यहाँ पे cutting हो जाएगी. 4 1s are 4 2s are 5s are. So rate is 25/3% per annum. You can change it into mixed fraction. Don't change it into decimal. Change it into mixed fraction, and you will get 81/3%. So here the rate is given, principal is in, interest is given. You have used the formula of rate. Now we will come to question number 5. In 5 it is given at what rate percent. In this also you have to find the rate percent only. At what rate percent per annum simple interest will rupees 66,000 amounts to rupees 72,720. Now here उन्होंने कहा है कि जो 66,000 है वो क्या अमाउंट कर रहा है? 72,720 in 2 years. It means principal is rupees 66,000 and amount is given rupees 72,720 and time period is given 2 years. In this interest was given. ऊपर उन्होंने कहा था yield and interest of, पर यहाँ पे क्या गया? Amounts to. So in this principal and amount is given. Now for the formula of rate we want interest. Interest आपके पास नहीं है. As we have know, interest is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 72,720 minus 66,000. So what will be your interest? 0, 2, 7 and 6. Rupees 6,720. Now you will use the formula of rate. Rate interest into 100 upon P into T. So interest is 6,720 into 100 upon principal आपका कितना था? 66,000 into time period is 2 years. Here 2 zeros are cut, 1 zero, here it is cut. Now we will use the cutting. You will do the cutting. 2 3 से आपने कटा, 2 3 3 and 4. Now cut by 2 2 6 are, sorry, here it comes 6. 2 1s are, now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Now you can cut it with 3 11s are, and here 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So what is left? 56 over 11. You can convert it into mixed fraction. It will come 5-sided 1/11% per annum. This is your answer. Now come to question number 6. In 6th question it is given simple interest on a sum of money for 5 years is 3/5 of the sum. Now what is this sum means? Sum क्या है आपका? Principal. Principal को हम sum भी कह देते हैं. उन्होंने कहा है कि कोई एक sum थी, कोई एक principal था वो उसका जो इंटरेस्ट है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 3/5 ऑफ द सम, मतलब प्रिंसिपल का 3/5 पार्ट है. So you will assume in this question, what you will assume? Let principal, or you can say it sum, is equals to x. Now interest is, they have said that interest is equals to 3/5 of the sum. It means 3/5 x. Sum कितना था आपका x. When you multiply it, you will get 3/5 x. And time is given 5 years. We have to find rate %. तो rate का फॉर्मूला लगा दो. Interest into 100 upon principal into time. Interest is 3/5 x into 100. How much is the principal? You will multiply it with the principal. Principal was x. Into time is 5 years. Now here x and x is cancelled. 5 2s are and 0, 5 4s are. So what is our rate %? 12% per annum. Very simple part. बस आपको ये स्टेटमेंट को अच्छी तरह समझना. They have told us simple interest on a sum of money. कोई भी एक प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट है दैट इज 3/5 ऑफ द सम. तो आपने कंडीशन लगाकर x मानकर ये क्वेश्चन को कर. Now in question number 7 it is given the simple interest on certain sum. Now sum again principal आपको नहीं given है. For 3 years, time period is given 3 years and rate % is given 10% per annum. Is 829.50. What is this 829.50? Your simple interest. Simple interest जो आपको दिया that is rupees 829.50. We have to find the sum. Sum means what you have to find? Principal. तो principal का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो क्या होता है आपका? Interest into 100 upon R into T. Interest is how much? 829.50 into 100 upon rate is 10% into time period is 3. ये आपने डेसिमल हटाया into 100. This is cut. 0 and 0 is cut. Now do the cutting of this. It will come 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 6 are 18 and 3 5s are. So what will be the principal? Sum आपका क्या आ जाएगा? rupees 2765. This is your answer. Like this you have to do the question. It is very simple. Now 4 to 7 I have done this question. Question number 8 you will do it yourself. It is like 7 only. In this you have to find the sum. It means you have to find the principal. So question number 8 is your homework and 4 to 8 questions you have to do it in your notebooks. So for today, revise and complete the work till question number 8. Thank you.